Look at these bags. I was like, no, it's so warm. And so the 15k road walk into Tekapo begins. I'm in the White J in Tekapo. Just had greatest brunch. Showered, laundry's going. Life feels pretty good. Can you tell me about this?
Yeah, so basically I had an empty aioli bottle with a squeezy lid, and thought I'd upgrade my peanut butter containment unit with the PCU. So now I can just squeeze it out. Look at that. Peanut butter, straight peanut butter, just coming out of the tube. Like, makes your tube look like a freaking idiot now, doesn't it?
How about when you get to the bottom?
Haven't gotten to that yet.
Hey mate. Gale force winds and sideways rain, 85 k's to Oho. Camera is going away today. As feeling returned to toes and we looked at what the overnight rainfall would mean for us, it was like the trail thought we needed reminding. It was never going to come easy.
Tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. It'll be alright.
Just 500 left.
Tragedy on its way. If tragedy came.
So it looks like we will not be crossing the Araroa river. It is quite swollen and quite fast moving. There is no way we are crossing that.
Tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright. Oh, tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. It'll be alright.
First night at 0. How do we feel? The 7th of March 2021. We think it froze over last night after successfully crossing the Ahuriri River via bridge. Yeah, it's pretty cold this morning. The sun is coming. I can feel it. You can see it. Today will be a great day.
Oh, look, I've got a shadow.
I don't even need this. It was only after I sat eating cold-soaked ramen at 10 p.m, wallowing after extra hours and extra kilometers, when the trail offered an outstretched hug.
I'm Kelly. I'm a trail angel, mobile. And see, my husband Brian's walking the TA, so I'm a supporter, and we've met some really, really neat people. Really enjoyed it.
The morning baptism by steam of real coffee was to mark another new beginning. Say goodbye to Canterbury. Oh, it's a hello to Otago. Martha Saddle.
That's crazy. We're in Wanaka. What the heck? This is nuts.
Well, I guess this is what happens when you come to Wanaka on a year of COVID. No one else at the tree. I really couldn't decide what I was gonna do. Whether I was gonna push on or stay in zero. Bye, kiddos.
See you later.
Look, I've been trying to hold off from talking about these plants, but it's the final straw, man. For too long, I've walked into them. For too long, they had haunted my steps. Hovering thoughts of commitments at home. I still had decisions to make. We'll see what happens in the end. Just days before, a northbounder had asked if I was ready to be done with it. 3.5 months in, I thought I would have been too. Alrighty, climb 1 of 4 today on the Motatapu track. As you can see behind me, incredible views, stunning. It has cleared up a little bit, and yeah, feeling okay. Feeling okay. Sandflies were the worst on that climb. 3rd climb of the day, Rose's Saddle. It is beautiful up here. Beautiful sun in the gloom of home, arranging each one of the chromosomes. Well, we are now at the top of 4th climb of the day, off to Araroa. It is the 14th of March, 2021. I am out of Queenstown. I'm in the final stretches. It is so surreal. I felt like I was being dropped off for my last week. It's gonna be over a week, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling, yeah, in a very good place. Very excited / nervous for this next stretch because I've heard it is hell and a bit of a slog, but hey, we're in the last bit. We got this. Oh yeah, she's a rainy one today. It is just after 2 p.m. and I've been walking in the rain since 8:30 a.m. It is just starting to clear up. But yeah, it's been one of those days. One of those days, but it looks like the sun. Oh, I see blue sky. It's coming out. This afternoon's gonna be lovely. Just lovely. Ah. Whose hands are these? The end of Fellowship of the Ring. Frodo's out on the boat and Sam comes running out and he's like, "Sam, you can't swim!" Frodo reaches in and pulls Sam out and then they, go off. Pretty sure this is it. Oh. Good spot. almost 7:30. I'm pitched up, eating my dinner, Turkish style falafel. Probably my second favourite. I'm camping next to a road after having listened to the David Bain murders podcast all day. So probably not the best idea.
1 year.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, because my son is studying
Thank you. Enjoy this your trip. A quest for pizza had pulled me to Tiano. A phone call with mum and dad had pulled me to present day. After a night lulled to sleep by deep musings of roadside murder, I declined the ride to drive me all the way. I was going in the other direction.
Pleasure without pain, love without heartbreak, perspective, reflection sake. When we were young, forever seemed the longest time. To our naive tongues and the trust in our hope-filled eyes. For all my days. For all my days, now that I've got your life, I won't let it go to waste. Time was told me we're scared the most of these things.
So I was told this stretch is a bit of a slog. I just didn't realise how much of a slog. It's 1:45 and I left at 8. And I think I've covered like just over 10 kilometres. There he is.
Kia ora, my name is Jess. I'm 26. Yeah, 26 from Wellington in New Zealand. I've heard people say that you can kind of split the people on the trail into 4 categories, which I think is really interesting. So people who are wanting to challenge themselves, people who are wanting to start new, people who are running away from things, and people who are kind of punishing themselves from something, which I thought was actually quite a good summary of like the different kind of characters you get on trail. But I think for me it was more of a challenge. I think I'm now aware of my own sort of capabilities physically, which is really good, that I can just push myself to keep going, which is awesome. And it makes you feel a little bit more self-reliant, I think, because you know that you can do something by yourself and you're absolutely fine.
For all my days, for all my days, now that I've got your life, I won't let it go away.
Supposedly the last big climb before Bluff. And also supposedly you can see Bluff from here.
I pray my life won't go to waste. Come time I meet my resting place. In hearts like these, oh, in love like this, the stars aligned in the sky you sense. The love of mine, oh, stay the night, as long as the love is left in your eyes. It's for the love in your heart. 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 Let me in.
Let it be known that the scariest animals on Te Araroa are definitely the cows. I am in a bush over the side of the fence with... Alright, I am very wrapped up because it is getting chilly. I'm at Mirror View Hut tonight and tomorrow is the last full day of forest into the long woods, and I'm with the girls. It's been good. It's been nice. This is really coming to an end very soon.